Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'll show you how to add a caller ID and answer one of the most common questions. How many caller IDs can you add in Calilio? Calilio lets you add and save multiple caller IDs, giving you flexibility in how you appear to your customers. However, you can only use one caller ID at a time when making calls. Now let's look at how you can add a caller ID first. Click on Settings on the left-hand side from your Calilio dashboard and then select Caller ID under the User Settings section. Once on this interface, click on the blue Add New Caller ID button. Here, add a number, choose the extension that allows you to use that ID while making calls, and enter a friendly name. Finally, click on the Add Caller ID button, and that's it. That's how simple it is to add caller IDs in Calilio. Remember, you can save as many as you want, but only one can be active at a time. For any help, Calilio support is available 24/7 to guide you through the process. Thanks for watching.